What does a lock mean on Snapchat story? So let's get started. The lock means that you have created a private story. In order to do that, open this Snapchat app on your mobile device, then tap on a Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to create a private story on Snapchat. Now here look for the new story icon or simply tap on the add to my story. Then tap on the new private story from the option. This ensures only your chosen friends can view your snaps. Now choose the specific friend you want to invite to view your private story. You can search for them or browse your friend list. You can also create a name for it. After you do so, capture photos and videos as you normally would and add them to your private story. Simply here you can see I have chose a photo or video. Then tap on the icon available there and add to your private story. The presence of a lock icon on a Snapchat story signifies a private story. Unlike a standard story visible to all your connections, private stories offer a more selective audience. The lock icon serves as a visual cue for viewers, indicating they have been granted access to a private gathering among select friends. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.